This Phantom wallet, $5.89 million, all made from deving meme coins. Not by trading, not by sniping, just by building and deving the right way. If you want to see how it's done right now, stay tuned, I'll show you exactly how. Now back in the day, just a couple months ago, I used to trade meme coins every single day on the Solana blockchain. I used to spend hours watching Memescope for new coins dropping, trying to snipe the perfect entry. And every single time I bought inside a meme coin, well guess what? I got completely dumped on. All my money was gone. And that's exactly when I realized the ones winning are not traders, they're the devs. Because you are not gambling anymore, you are creating your own coins and then making money at the right time. And as a creator, you've got completely nothing to lose, literally $0. All you're doing is creating for free and then making some money. If you know, you know. And that's exactly why I switched from trading to deving, because now I can turn $100 or even $0 into thousands of dollars on repeat. And right now, with Bitcoin pushing all-time highs and Solana heating up, this is the perfect moment to start deving. You guys need to keep watching. And quick reminder, this video is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes only. This whole video does not condone financial advice. It's all fake and it's all made with AI, so please don't copy me. Yeah! Now, I know you might be thinking, okay, how do I even create a meme coin on the blockchain? Now, you do not want to use Pump.Fun, because this platform is too packed. Thousands of new coins are going live every single second, and 99% of these coins die before anyone even sees them. There's just too many coins going out every single minute. You don't control your own liquidity, and your project disappears in the flood of new coins. That's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io, because on this platform, it's completely up to you. Your coin launches directly onto Raydium, and it's immediately migrated on the Raydium DEX. That means more buyers, more traders, and more volume into your coin. You'll get a shit ton of buyers, and compared to Pump.Fun, your coin is going to skip the bonding curve and it will be immediately on the migrated section. That's completely insane, bro. And that's exactly why thousands of people use this website. It's smoother, faster, and gives you real control over your launches. Now here's how you do it on create tokens.io. You have two different ways to make a meme coin. The first way is to build one from scratch. So choose a narrative. Go on X, go on Instagram, go on Twitter, go on YouTube, okay, scroll on TikTok, do whatever you have to do to find a narrative. It could be literally anything. You could also go on Google, type in news, and look at the articles. Anyways, we're gonna go on X and just look for something. For example, Baron Trump, what else? Neon and her on stream. You know, there's a bunch of different narratives. Once you have one, come back to create tokens.io, add a symbol, add a name, create a symbol, for example, and just add a meme coin logo for the logo, and just like that, after a couple more steps, your coin is fully created from scratch. But the second method, bro, trust me, it's the best method because it's the most profitable by far, and that's by copying trending coins. Now these are already blowing up on Pump.Fun, all of these coins right here. All you have to do is just copy one and it will launch to Raydium instantly. And since the hype and traffic are already built in, you'll get instant buyers and bigger profits from the start, just because all of these coins have a good narrative that is already verified itself. So we will copy a coin. Okay, let's make this real. I'm about to dev a meme coin right now, so you can watch it go live in real time and then do it after this video. So, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, then click on the refresh list button to have all the new coins pop up, and let's look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go with, oh shit, not that one. I'm gonna go with the okay, the Vamp coin. It has 80 replies, a $34,000 market cap, and it lasts by 1 minute ago. That's not bad, right? It could be better, right? But yeah, this one looks cool. Click on the create coin button, ignore the warning with the block from Phantom, click on proceed, confirm, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. You just gotta be patient. Come on, boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live on the Raydium DEX, okay? It's all live, it's minted. But anyways, let's create the liquidity pool for our coin. Now this part's simple. We're just adding / creating the liquidity for your coin, which is what activates your market on Raydium and lets buyers jump in right away. This option, okay, is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to create. For the amount token A, this is the first step. Click on the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool. You are keeping 100 million inside your wallet. For the amount token B right under, think of it as your first ever buy in your own coin. You are not spending a dime for good. It's just locked in temporarily. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you pull out the liquidity later, you'll get that SOL right back inside your wallet, okay? I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, which is a bit more just to be safe, and then make sure you have enough in your wallet. Click on create pool. Once again, you are not losing anything, and then click on confirm. After that, once it's done, click on the refresh button, my bad. And if you scroll down, boom, the VAMP coin is on live. Our PNL is at $0. Now, if you click on the refresh button for a second time to refresh the Raydium pools, now we're up 190 USD because now people are buying inside your coin through Raydium on Memescope. The coin is possibly going to go viral, okay? If you want to see the chart for the coin, you can go on Axiom, NeoButtX, or click on View on Photon. Let me go on full screen for a better view. Let's see what happens. Come on. Bro, okay, it's live. We're already up a couple $100. The chart might look funky, but trust me, bro, it's just gonna go higher and higher, bro. That's how it works, because more and more people are going to start discovering the coin on Memescope, so it is going to pump. Come on. And this is why I love deving, bro, because you can create for free and get all of these organic buyers, bro. These are all different wallets, all organic, bro. It's actually fucking insane. Oh my god, let's go. Come on, one more big buy. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god. So many buyers, bro. Let's dump the coin. Come on, bro. Yo, I love deving, bro. You guys have to tap in after this video. You guys will see how to make money. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna... Ooh, this is bad for us. I think I'm gonna let this coin run for a bit, and I'm gonna be right back when it's time to cash out money. So I'll be right back and enjoy the show for 1 second. Okay guys, I am back. The coin is currently pumping live on camera. 3.5k market cap, 1.5k in liquidity. It's looking good. If you want to make some money, come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button to see your profits. And as you guys can see, we are now up $1.9 thousand USD. It's still pumping, bro. It's doing higher highs and higher lows. Now, click on the mouse button, do 100%, click the red button to, cash out all that bread. And as you guys can see, we are going to receive around 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some money on the spot. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, because you guys don't believe me, boom, $1.8 thousand just hit my wallet, and it's real, bro. Like, look, bro. It's real, bro.